Hey guys, I want to do a little bit of a Copart auction video here today. So this is kind of what goes on when I'm bidding on an auction. I'm just going to kind of give you the thought process behind what I do in this. So anyway, here's the truck I'm after. It's a 1990 Dodge Dakota. You can click on it and it'll pop you up pictures. I've already researched the truck. So anyway, I've looked at the truck and I want to keep this one as a personal truck. So I've made a spreadsheet here. I think the truck's worth about $8,500 with an R title fixed. So basically, I break it down with the parts I think it'll need, and then I have a multiplier on there of like 1.5 to make sure that I'm not missing anything or, to catch any extras there. And then I have it broken down into different tiers of how much I would want something, and then tell me what to bid and then what the actual bid will be with fees. I made a little calculator in here to do that, and then estimating the profit I would make at that ratio. So I'm working off this lower set here, the one that is without the bodywork included. And I think that this is probably about the max I'm going to go. 4,600, maybe a little higher. I'd be okay paying about $6,000 for this truck just because I want to keep it for myself. I think it'll appreciate in value. It's up here in 8 minutes, so we're going to see what's going. It's at a 3,600 now. I have a feeling it'll probably go for over 5. So let's see. This one is also a pretty decent haul away. This is in North Carolina, so this is about a 6-hour drive for me to go pick this truck up. Anyway, we'll leave it there. I'm going to go ahead and wait for this to come up, and then I'll start screen recording again. Alright guys, so I'm going to just record the last 5 minutes here of this auction going live. We'll see what I cut out of the video.
Bonus
But yeah, just give you an idea of what happens during auctions. And see how many participants are in this lane. 9,584. That's a couple. I swear there was only maybe 600, 700 participants in yesterday's auction at my local Copart. This one's a little bit of a hike. So, let's see.
New bidder.
This is the car for auction. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. I ain't driving anywhere. 425.
Sold.
Not a bad price for a parts car. Gotta keep in mind there's about 15% premium, 15% plus $200 is a good rule of thumb. 5,600 for this heap.
New bidder.
5,700.
Sold.
Oh. A Mustang with front end damage. Who'da thunk? 10.7 on this thing. It's got the 5.0, 34,000 miles.
Sold.
Only gonna fix that.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Alright. Mine might be the last item of the day. $775 for this one.
Sold.
Alright, here it goes.
New bidder.
Oh, we're winning. Let's get it. 2-4. Ah, motherfuckers. Ah. I'm gonna at least make them pay top dollar for this freaking thing.
This is a hot lot.
I'm gonna go up to 45. Let's see it. Killing me. Alright. Last one, see. Killing me. Alright, one more. What was my 46? I'm already way over. Killing me.
Bonus time.
We're gonna do one more. Alright, there's the last one. Alright, I'm gonna make this motherfucker pay 5 at least. There's the 5,000. You gonna do fit? That's way too much money for this truck. Found his number, I guess. That's way too much money for this truck. Son of a bitch. Well, got carried away, but that's alright. Alright, I guess I'm driving to North Carolina. Hell yeah. Alright. Alright, well. Let me enter that one into the Copart calculator. So just zero this out quick. Ooh, I just paid like $6,000 plus for that truck. Alright, well, hey. That's what I signed myself up for. Cool. Well, I'm an idiot, so welcome to Copart, and have a nice one. Take a look at this truck that I'm going to be driving to get. Wow. I knew some idiot was going to pay too much for this truck, and here it was me. Alright, well, it's a pretty nice truck. I've wanted a convertible Dakota. Bring up the 360 again. The ragtop looks new on the outside, not the best on the inside. Seats look pretty good. I have a lot of Dakota parts, so... Ooh, yeah, there she is. Alright, well, we got a Dakota. Sweet. Well, this has been my grail for a while. Maybe not a wrecked one, but you're not going to get a rust-free one for $6,000 anywhere else. So that's going to be my truck. Alright. Sweet, well I guess that's about a video, so hopefully you like that. If you want to see more, give me the like, the subscribe, all that YouTube jazz, and hope to see you guys on the next one.